looking a little bit of a hot mess here today. We're gonna do a Stitch Fix unboxing. I am like kicking it back old school with my taping because we are leaving town in the morning, or when this video is getting placed up. So I'm taping this the night before, but so I don't like have time to mess around with my nice equipment. So we're doing it like old school, old ring light, old, like all that stuff. So yeah. Anyway, this is Stitch Fix. This is, I think this is like my 54th or 55th box. Like I've been doing this for a long time. My daughter is 5.5 and I started doing this right after she was born. So that tells you how long I've been doing it. And now this box is a little bit smaller. I literally have not gotten into this, which is unusual for me. So let's get into this together. And so what I usually do is I'll go over the products, the prices, the sizes, and then I will do a quick try on and kind of tell you my thoughts. I have a whole slew of Stitch Fix videos if you're interested, where I talk about all the different features. I'll put that compilation list of all the Stitch Fix videos. So when they do it, they always have like this, they always have the information on top, and it's always packaged so prettily. Obviously I'm getting jewelry in this one, and it is like falling out of the packaging. And then they have this, which tells you, one, the price, and two, your stylist notes. Okay, so this is actually my 5th fix, as you can see, and it just says, "Hi Rachel, let's enjoy our 55th fix." Okay, and so if I buy everything, you get a 25% discount, which would be $90 off. So my total would come to $274. I have something called Style Pass. If you're doing this for the first time, it's $20 per fix. There are some members who have done this forever, or whatever reason, they offer what's called a Style Pass, and I believe it's like $49 a year, and it gets you unlimited styles or fixes. That $49 goes towards your whatever you buy, same as the $20 does. The nice thing about the Style Pass is if I don't like anything in this box, I don't lose any money. So that's nice, versus if you're just a standard $20 styling fee and you don't like everything in the box and you send it all back, you lose that $20. So I don't really know what the trigger is. I assume it's buying a butt ton of clothing from them and always getting something. I've actually never turned in a box and not gotten something. So yeah, that's that. And then they always do a little note from your stylist. And my stylist has been styling me for a while. And she writes me a nice little note. She asked me about my trip to California. I went to Disneyland recently. And she does watch my unboxings, which is super exciting. Anyway, let's see. She got me, ooh, there's some fun stuff in here. All right, let's get into this. I've been talking way too much. So first thing first, and I'm actually excited about this because I don't think I've ever gotten these or anything like this from Stitch Fix. I've gotten a lot of like jewelry, but I've never gotten earrings. And I actually really love earrings. So this is really exciting. These are the earrings here. They are hoops. And this is, they have a little card in here, if you can see here. This says it's by Jill Michael Jewelry in collaboration with Stitch Fix. And it says each piece is simple, sophisticated, and designed for easy everyday wear using quality silver and gold plated metals. Anyway, that is really pretty. That's what they look like. I love earrings. These are really adorable. They've got gold and silver, which is kind of nice because it's a nice mix of two. I wear both colors of jewelry. If you haven't been able to tell, actually this is rose gold, but if you can't tell by my ring, I wear a mix of both colors. I tend to gravitate more towards silver, but I do like gold jewelry as well. I like how delicate these are. Like I totally can see myself wearing these. Generally, you guys will only see me with my little studs in, but when I go out, I actually like to wear nice dangly earrings. So these are the Lana beaded teardrop earrings, and the price on these are $28, which is not horrible for a pair of earrings actually. All right, let's get into the sushi roll, as we like to call it. Sorry, that's really loud. The other thing that you can do, which I did not do this round, is you can do add-ons of like everyday essentials like underwear, bralettes, things like that. Shapewear, socks. I like the socks a lot. I like the bralettes, and I like certain of the underwear, not all of it. So if you'd like to see some of those, I've kind of tried most of the things except for the, no, I even tried the shapewear. Go back and look through the past videos, you'll see. Okay, enough of that noisiness. So let's get into this. You can also sneak peek if you have the Stitchfix app on your phone. You could say when it ships, like, I want to check out, and not actually check out, and you can see what you're getting. For those people that don't realize you can do that, it's really, really handy. So, all right, let's get into this. The first thing here is the Cut From The Cloth Connie skirt. Now, I love Cut From The Cloth. It's a brand that fits me actually quite well. This is in size 10, which usually fits me quite well in that. So you can see here, and I don't think I've had a cutoff skirt for years. It does have a lot of distressing up here, up on the thigh, and that, I don't know how I feel about that. I get a little old school about distressing. I kind of feel like I can put holes in my own jeans. For example, like, I don't know if you guys can see here, I have a little bit of hole in my jean there. These are cut from the closet I'm currently wearing, actually. But anyway, I digress. So I don't know how I feel about distressing, but it's been a long, long time since I've had a good distressed denim skirt, and I feel like the 90s are coming back. So I feel like this is coming in and very apropos for the style that is currently going on. So I am excited. The thing I like about most Cut From The Cloth is it's stretchy. It's got give, but it's got structure. And it fits my flat butt usually pretty well. So this is in the, oh, I just got an exciting thing here. I'll get to that in a second. All right, so these are indigo color in size 10, $78. The reason why I said, oh, is I saw two Cut From The Cloths. There's a second Cut From The Cloth pair of brands. I talked and talked because she sent me a bunch of other types of jeans that are beautiful, but they just don't fit me, and so I keep turning them back. And I was like, hey, in my note, if you have Cut From The Cloth, please, 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 please send me them, or just black. Those are the two brands that fit me. So this is Cut From The Cloth Kate boyfriend jeans, which I do have an old pair of them, and I did like them, but these are darker than the ones I have. I got them like years ago. And that's what they look like. So these will, let me see if the cuff, yeah, the cuff unrolls and rolls, which is awesome. These are a lot thinner feeling than the ones I had previously, which I actually kind of like. And this is in a size 10. And again, these are the slouchy ones, so they're going to be a little looser, but you can see they have a little give there. These are $88. So super excited. I think these are both cotton, if I remember correctly, with a little bit of spandex in it. All right, let's get into the next item. This is the Daniel Rain light blue Leona flutter detailed blouse. This is really pretty. I am absolutely adoring this flutter sleeve. It's late, guys. This is beautiful. I don't really own a lot of things with a flutter sleeve. I love the neckline on this. I think it is so romantic and feminine. I like the detailing, and I think the color will look really pretty. I like Daniel Rain tops. They also fit me. This looks like it'll be long enough. The only thing I can see that may be an issue is it is a little bit see-through, but it's not horribly so. So this is probably, if I had my guess, a polyester. Yep, 100% polyester, machine wash cold. So these, I have really good luck with Daniel Rain clothing, and this is $64. All right, the last item in here is by the brand Velvet by Graham & Spencer. I don't think I've gotten anything from them, but oh, this is adorable. I think I'm gonna like this as well. This is very expensive because I have expensive taste. It's $108. It is very soft. It's got these really cool cutout sleeves with the ties here. It's kind of almost got a dolman shape to it. And let me see if it says what it is made out of. and then I will pause and we'll try on some stuff for you guys. So this is made in the US. It is 95% modal. That is a new brand that or new fabric that I have not heard of, but it feels amazing. Has anyone heard of modal? Like, is it like viscose where it's a fiber that's recycled? I'm curious. I'm gonna have to look that up and get back. And it's 5% elastane, which is elastic. Modal, I don't know. That's weird. That's what it says. If anyone's heard, can you read that? Of that type of fabric, let me know. All right, so super cute. Those are the items. This is $108. All right, guys, I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna put some stuff on and we will get to this, all right? All right, so don't mind the ladder in the back. I told you this room was a disaster. Our fire alarm went off in the middle of the night randomly because they're getting old. So yeah, anyway, this is what it looks like from the top. I really like this top. I like the flutter sleeve detail. Like I said, the neckline is just so freaking adorable. And it is long enough. These are the jeans. Don't mind my other jeans here. I'm gonna kind of show you guys down here. So you can see they go to the ankle and they go up a little higher than I'm usually wear my jeans, but these aren't bad. Like they're not being stretched out. They feel pretty good. They're pretty comfortable. I like the wide waistline. I like the color. This is a hit. This is totally something I could see myself wearing every day. So yeah, I really, really like this. Yeah, so that's the first one. Now I'm gonna stop and put on the beautiful black top and the skirt, and then I'll tell you my final thoughts. All right, guys, I am back with the shirt and the skirt combo. So again, sorry for my lighting, sorry for the construction crew stuff in the back, but the shirt is beautiful on. It is very soft and comfy. I love the arm detailing. It is like a typical dolman fit. As you can see, that's the bat wing, but I like that look on me. The skirt I don't know about. So it fits fine, it's loose enough, but it definitely makes me have some of the mom jeans vibe, which I know is very in. So I have to wear it a little higher waisted. The detailing in the front is not bad, but I'm gonna kind of go over here, walk with me here and bear with me, to my mirror over here. And I'm gonna show you guys what I mean about what I'm not so sure on. So if you can see here, yes, I'm taping this in my phone. Can you see down there that like, it's got that weird thing in the back where it's longer? It kind of feels like a mullet. Now, I don't think that's a bad thing. I just don't know how I feel about it. I think it looks really nice otherwise. Let me show you guys in the front here. I think it's pretty. And if I decide to keep this top and the other things, which I think I will, it makes perfect sense to, I'm gonna go back over here where my lighting is better. It makes perfect sense to keep the skirt, even with the weird little mullety back thing. Anyway, let me pause for a second and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I wanted to go ahead and put the earrings. I know I'm gonna go ahead and keep the earrings, so don't worry that I'm putting these earrings in and then I'm gonna like return them. I'm not. But I wanted to show you guys how they look. I actually had to, I don't wear bottom earrings that often, and so this hole was starting to try to close up a little bit. I had to like re-punch through it. It kind of hurts a little bit right now, but I think they're super cute. So what do I think about everything here? I totally am stoked about the jeans. Yay, 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 yay. We had a success. Cut from the cloth just fits me so well. If I can get some just black jeans and maybe some low-rising jeans, or like, yeah, low-rise, because the ones I'm wearing currently are low-rise and I just like how low-rise fit on me. Not ultra-low, just low-rise. But I am happy with these. I know mom jeans and higher rises are in. It's just not my favorite thing, but these are comfortable for being a higher or medium rise. I actually do like my skirts higher rise, weirdly enough. And so thinking about this, I really want to keep this top And financially, this is the thing about Stitchfix in general. Let me find that sheet for you guys so I can explain what I'm talking about. So you always have to do your math. So this shirt is an expensive shirt. It's a $108 shirt. So if I were to send back the distressed skirt, it's $78. My discount is cheaper than sending the skirt back. That's the only thing that I'm a little bit like, I don't know. I definitely love this top. I definitely love the boy jeans, and I definitely love this top, and I like the earrings. So for me, financially, it does not make sense to send it back. Even if I were to send these back with the jeans, it's almost the same price as keeping everything. So that's something to keep in mind when you're doing this. If you like everything but one item, if it's the $100 shirt and it's still cheaper to send back that one hero item, great. And I've done that many, many times. But occasionally it is cheaper to keep an item than to send them all back. And a lot of times when I do that, I end up liking the item that I kept. So it's not always a bad thing. I do actually like how this fits. I don't mind the distressing at all. And I guess if it really bothered me, the difference in the length, I could always cut this off. But I'm going to give it a try and just kind of see how I like the little mullet cut of it. I do think it's kind of nice that it's a little longer in the back, at least for me since I'm so tall. But this was totally a hit for me. I really like this fix, so yeah, I'm keeping all of it. Anyway, guys, so yeah, I did mention that we were going on a trip. My mom is going to come and stay with the kids and all that. Since my daughter has school, we are going on a childless trip. We debated on where to go, and we have decided we're just going to hop in the car, drive out west, and go maybe to Arizona, maybe to New Mexico, go hiking, just kind of chill out. We have no plans of where we're going to be. We're just going to go for a couple days and enjoy it. And I think it's going to be super fun and spontaneous, and it's something we don't get to do often. And so I don't know if I'm going to get a video out on Thursday. We'll be back in time for me to get a Saturday video out, but I don't know about Thursday. I will try. But if I don't, know that I'll be back over the weekend. So anyway, I will also be, I realized I have a lot of stuff piling up. And so I do have a big box set away for a 500 subscriber giveaway. But I think I might do just like a little giveaway in the meantime so I can kind of declutter a little bit. Because I have a bunch of stuff that I would love to give away to people. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. I will catch you later. And let me know what you thought. Did you think everything was a keeper? And how you thought everything fit and everything. So, all right, see you guys later. All right, bye.